Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. So let's make this good fish together. So my fish is already washed, is scaled, and I've already taken out all the yama yama in there. So in my pepper, I added this seasoning you're seeing on the screen. I also added soya spice because I really want that soya aroma. I hope you like soya spice too. So because I just brought out my pepper from the fridge, that's why it's looking that way. So I place it in the microwave for like 20 seconds. So to allow my seasoning get into my fish properly, I just went in with knife, to put in all these marks you're seeing. So the fish, the aroma and the seasoning and everything can enter all the corners. So as you can see, my sauce is looking different now. That's because I already placed it in the microwave. So you just place your fish in your oven. I grilled mine for a total of 20 minutes. Then I turned it and also added more sauce to the other side. And this fish tasted so good. Please remember to subscribe and share my videos with your friends. Help my channel to grow. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.